Hey guys, welcome to another video on Bharat in Germany, most probably. Alright, so Alina has some idea today and I'm just...
No, not an idea. We're actually starting a new series where we share easy meals for students which have maybe not so complicated ingredients, which are also affordable and which are easy and fast. And today, for a twist, Bharat will be cooking for the first time, I think.
Yeah, not really the first time. The first time I cooked was trying to impress Alina.
Wow.
And like we make in India, this bread korma or something, right? So like you have bread, you have turmeric, you have boiled potatoes and ketchup and all of that stuff.
That just
I made a goddamn mess. Alina's grandma was there at that time. And like, I didn't know that like Germans are thinking in the back of their head like that, you know, that maybe this guy is really messing up and he's not like really
No, the
knowing
thing
that.
is, for us, putting ketchup in the food is like, oh my god.
Yeah, but sometimes you have to do
How
it.
is it possible?
You made
How
this like
can you use ketchup?
some Manchurian or something, tofu Manchurian. There's also
but that
like
is
ketchup.
Asian.
Yeah.
Anyways, like for us, it was.
So I made once and I like really screwed it up. So I think we cannot
so
like
funny.
count that inside. Yeah.
Anyways, so Bharat will be cooking for the second
Yes.
time, and the thing about Bharat is like he doesn't understand these things. He doesn't want to.
Now Alina is getting the stage. Please start with what Bharat doesn't
He
understand.
doesn't want to understand, and I feel, yeah. Otherwise, he would have cooked me something already. But I don't know. Like
I focus on other things.
I'm
Alina.
passionate in the kitchen, so I think we would just end up fighting all the time.
We fit nicely in that regard.
Okay. So we wanted to give a shout out to an Indian business, which we have been like using, especially during Corona time. That was very convenient for us. It's a Indian grocery store website.
Spice Village. Yeah.
Spice Village, yeah. I'm not.
They're
so
based in Berlin and like they've been very like fast with their stuff. Like you put the order and like you know you're like having it at home like in 3 days or something. So that's like super convenient.
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean
Yeah.
if you want to order, especially if you don't want to go out now and like you know buy special stuff, for example atta and stuff, you like always just order directly, because otherwise like we have to like go to really crowded areas where the Indian stores are right now, and we just like avoid that.
Yeah, and this video is not sponsored. We don't get paid for this, but we just wanted to
Yeah.
give a shout out.
It's a nice
And
store.
we reached out to the owner and asked if he might have a coupon in case anybody else wants to order groceries to his house, and he gave us a very small coupon which will be in the description. And I would say,
Yeah, let's start with the video.
yeah.
Now,
So
I have no idea what I'm
one
cooking,
second.
but
we are cooking. You have eaten that a few times already. It's like a one-pot meal. It's super easy. It has less ingredients. It's cheap, and it's what is the name? Some like coconut milk, Thai curry noodle dish, and yeah, I would say you can put. Let's start.
and I'm like, because I don't like to make a mess, so hopefully we will not get a single stain on this apron.
Yeah, this was not cheap. This apron was expensive.
I'll buy you another one.
No.
Alright,
Like
let's get
this
started.
It's empty. I haven't washed. So I measured out the noodles because actually Bharat and I are on a diet, so noodles are not the best option. Of course, I could have used brown noodles, but I wanted to finish these. So this is 150 grams of noodles, which is supposed to be enough for 2 people. Then we have frozen peas, frozen corn, coconut milk. This thing you can find in the Asian store. It costs I think €3, but it lasts you forever, and it gives very nice taste to the dishes. So we have that. We have some vegetable stock, some pepper. You can use soya sauce, and just in case, like we will have to taste if we need to use this or not.
Yeah, because I would like, my first idea would be, if as a student I would be cooking, I need it to be simple and like it should just like get done as soon as
possible.
possible.
So guess what will be the first step?
So the first step should be boiling the noodles, of course.
No, you put coconut milk in the pot, let the coconut milk melt, then you put the Thai curry. So the Thai curry becomes the sauce, and then you add the noodles with some hot water and these things, and then you close the pot and it will be done.
And how much time does it take around?
10 minutes.
Really?
It's super easy. Okay, you get the...
This?
Why is it not zoomed? Okay, no. You open the...
My nails are not so strong for opening these cans. So I'm going
Are you sure? First of all, you use a knife in these cases.
I will be...
That's what I mean. He has no mind for this at all. It's difficult.
Okay. Just throw it down?
You tried to throw it.
Okay, nonsense. I think this is going to be a very fun video.
Chef Bharat. Yeah, I'm actually having fun.
All of it?
Yeah. If not for the sake of the video, he would never do this.
Yeah.
Make everything!
What everything? Ready?
Okay.
In India we would use a normal coconut properly. Fresh. I think in South India for sure, North is
yeah, we are
fresh.
In Germany. Winter, even summers are cold.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is such a mess.
Okay. You take a whisk. There.
What is whisk?
Whisk.
This?
Yeah.
Learning new things.
You can already actually add in some Thai curry. No, it's not Thai curry, it's red. What is it?
It is red curry paste.
Why am I saying Thai curry all the time?
How much? All?
No, you. Once I made it too spicy, you were.
All right.
You were crying.
Should
no, New spoon.
Small one, I think.
Yeah.
Small one should be fine.
We can always add more, but like.
I think this much.
No. One full one. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I would even add some more.
Oh.
Rishu!
No, it's not so bad. It has to be recorded all the time.
Yeah, we show the full process.
Okay.
Even if this video is forever.
Alright, so
and usually this dish takes 10 minutes, but with Bharat I think it will take 20 at least. Oh, what do you think?
I think for all my new friends out there, my brothers and sisters who are engineers and studying
think so. Indians usually cook very good food.
But engineers, Alina, come on. We just are used to eating in the mensa, just going at the night canteen, eating some eggs, eating some Maggi, some tea. That's how we spend our time.
We should. It's not hot. This is a steel thing you can even scratch.
This dish will be made with engineered perfection. Yeah.
See this curry paste, it like takes quite some time to like dissolve in the coconut milk. That's why this is the first step.
Should I boil the water already?
I think I already boiled.
That's how engineers do.
Now you taste it, see if it's enough taste or not. It's not hard.
It's alright.
Or more.
Tastes like an engineer made it.
Or more.
No, it's good. Alright,
Okay.
so just...
Now you add the noodles.
Okay, as a tip guys, rather add a bit less red curry powder than too much. Noodles?
Yeah. Some
I just
people
put-
like it spicy, but Bharat doesn't like spicy at all. Yeah, you put everything. Just put
Really?
it. Yeah. Everything. Everything inside.
This is what?
Pepper.
Pepper, small, well, little pepper, whatever. Give me the how much is it? You have to also say these things, how much?
I took 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
But the thing is, it's up to the taste. I don't know if we need to.
Now pea?
Pea?
Peas. Pea. Yeah, brilliant ones in the other direction. Yeah. Alright. All of it. Chalo.
Actually, you look good by this stuff.
Let's change our positions. You do Bharat in Germany and I do...
We should actually
House-
make an experiment once.
Nope.
Bharat is being housewife
Right.
for 1 week and I'm being a businessman. Okay, now get the tea cooker. Get the tea cooker quickly before it starts burning.
How much?
Okay, I tell you. You can put around 500 milliliters. Sometimes,
Everything is soaked, right?
sometimes you need to add more water if you see the noodles get stuck to the pan. It should be like covered with water. Okay,
Nothing
enough,
else,
enough. Now you put the lid on top. Actually, you can try if there's enough like spice. Maybe we need to add the soya sauce quick. Try it.
But I don't like to do these things.
Yeah, you have to.
Sacrificing my tongue again.
Bharat is very sensitive to hot stuff. I can take boiling stuff and he always has to blow and make drama.
Boy, they're so good. Alina,
Nothing
you
else?
will dream of it.
Nothing else to add?
No, I
A
think
little bit soya sauce?
No.
Okay, put the
Maybe we can actually, why not?
little bit.
But the thing is, like, not everybody will have it at home, or do you think this
Soya
is a staple?
sauce, it costs 2 euros. It's like a staple in the fridge, in my
How much?
opinion. Little bit, just 1 schuss. Okay, that's enough.
A mix?
No, just put the lid. It's a 1-pot dish. The lid needs to be inside, it needs to be boiled. Otherwise, it takes forever. Yeah, now we wait for it. So that's it. That's all the steps. Then it will get boiled. Maybe you have to add water, or maybe that was enough. But that's it.
That was pretty simple.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Occasionally you have to take the lid off and stir, otherwise it might get stuck to the pot. Is anything missing? Give me. I'm the expert. Tasting sweet.
That's
I think
nice.
some more soya sauce. Huh?
No? It's all good.
Okay. You're the
That's good.
chef today. You taste the noodles, who tastes the sauce? You have to taste the noodles to see if it's done. Not done. Okay, you take the spoon. Spoons, big one. There's a big one.
And?
I think we have to add some more water if it's not done.
Yeah.
How
Getting
quick?
stuck.
Get the water.
That's not good.
That's what I was saying. Sometimes you have to add more water. It depends, of course, on the noodles. I would recommend noodles who maybe take 7 to 8 minutes. These are like 12 minutes or something.
Let me start it real quick.
Probably you add some soya sauce. Now the salt will be less because we added more water. Yeah. Okay, lid on. I think it's done.
So, how does it taste?
It's super creamy. Oh, I hate to be filmed while eating. It's good as always. This dish always turns out tasty, always. And this dish couldn't be also easily eaten the other day without tasting disgusting, because I personally think pasta reheated doesn't taste good, but this pasta tastes very good after reheating. Now you try.
I'm a person who lived in the hostel, so for me, like, of course, everything tastes good. Not a problem at all. The spots are like super.
The hostel times a long time ago.
Alina,
you have
no
been
what kind of
married.
We ate?
You have
what
been,
kind of dal we ate?
It is long time ago. It should be already forgotten.
Yeah,
or are you scarred for life?
Scarred for life. But was not bad times at all.
Okay.
Nice food.
I think you went to Domino's every single day. What kind of rotis are you talking about?
Every third or fourth day, yeah. That was it, guys. This was a quick student recipe that you can like quickly make for yourself and take it to your university or something, and you can also like reheat it and like eat it afterwards. So doesn't taste bad. So
but I would not eat this cold personally.
Yeah, with some, I don't know. Then just take beef and corns without the noodles.
You can eat it at home,
yeah.
And it will be very tasty and quick and cheap.
Yeah, maybe we will make another like.
No, this will be a series. I have decided. I'm getting so many requests about student dishes.
All right.
Okay.
Let me focus.